Good morning, friends. Myself Subhash Nakarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul Prashala, Solapur. Welcome to all of you in this online session. In the previous video clip, we discussed with the syllabus of this mathematics part 2. Today, we are going to discuss how to prepare this mathematics part 2 and what is the role of parents in the education system. Friends, here are few tips for you. Every person is naturally motivated to learn and is capable of learning. Everyone constructs knowledge by connecting the existing ideas with the new ideas to examine and analyze the everyday experiences. Friends, keep in mind that when you are doing a thing with likeness, it is an enjoyment. But when you are doing the same with dislike, it is a punishment. So, do each job with likeness, whether it may be study or to help anybody. You can follow the following strategies for the learning of this mathematics part 2 with joy. So, let us learn this mathematics part 2 with joy. What are the important tips for that? First thing, that you should have to consider the textbook as a best friend. Whatever that could be asked in the examination is from the textbook only. The syllabus you should have to go through properly. One more thing important is that you will do discussion with friends, but that discussion should be on the study. Group discussion carries an important role in your education. One more thing, practice is very important. Since one could say practice makes man perfect. So you have to practice, practice, and practice in mathematics. Reference study material plays an important role for question number 4 and 5 in mathematics part 2. Use audio and visual aids. Take proper guidance of your teacher, guides, mentors, educators. One more important source available for you is the internet. Use a proper this internet. Use properly. So if you follow these some things that are important in learning this subject, certainly you will feel very joy. How should I have to prepare this mathematics? Friends, you know that mathematics is a scoring subject and can affect the percentage of you. Many of us believe that to score high in mathematics, one should have an extraordinary brain, but this is not true. Scoring marks in mathematics is easy if you put some extra efforts into it. The subject is totally based on the calculation and problem solving. So, understanding of the concept plays an important role. If you think that just mugging up the theorems and formulas and studying a few months will help you, is the wrong notion. Mathematics is a subject that is all about practice. This is a subject which develops a rational thinking and a logical approach in you. Here are few tips that helps you in how to prepare and enhance your mathematics score. So in this way, if you prepare mathematics, that will be helpful for you. So what are the tips? So first thing is that you should know the math syllabus. What is the content of it? What is the marks allotted for a particular topic? What is the nature of the question paper? All of you must know. Get acquainted with the exam pattern. Very important. What is accordingly, it will be better for the study plan. Exam pattern you must know. Remember the formulas that you have already learned in the previous standards. So that is the platform for this year. Study in a group plays an important role. Use reference study materials for the question number 4 and 5, which is for 11 marks. What is the reference study material that we are going to see later on? Take guidance regularly of the teachers and educators, your mentors, your guides. An important thing is a study schedule you have to do properly. This is how to prepare this mathematics part 2. After knowing how to prepare, the next comes is how I should make the study plan. Very important question that we'll solve now. What is a study plan? With proper study plan and essential materials, you can score more in the SSC board exams. You should start your preparation as soon as possible to complete the syllabus. As the new academic year has begun, it is time for you to start your preparation well in advance. It is common that most of the students tend to neglect their studies. When you are ready to begin your preparation, the first thing you need to do is make a proper study plan or timetable for a full year preparation. Allot time for each subject and try to complete it. As you need to attend school, do not make your timetable with too many schedules. Here is the detailed study plan for preparation strategy for a complete year. Go through it and implement. So here is given a study plan for you. In the study plan, what things you have to do is first thing important, prepare a timetable. Carry physical exercises like yoga and pranayam. Attend every class regularly. Take notes in the class. Concentration is very important in any class. Attend every test that you come to know how much I studied, what is my progress. Rectify your doubts immediately with your friends, teachers, guides. Learn formulas. Do regular homework without fail. Practice the diagrams and graphs regularly. Get your study partner in order for the discussion. Take guidance regularly. Practice and practice the problems again and again, so that will become very helpful for you solve the board question papers after completion of the syllabus. This is what the study plan for the academic year. If you plan this properly and implement, then certainly you will achieve your goal. What are the reference study material for you? According to the revised question paper pattern, question paper number 4, which is for 8 marks, and question number 5 for 3 marks, are based on the syllabus but out of the textbook. These two questions carrying totally 11 marks. So for the preparation of 11 marks, you have to refer the following material. NCERT books you have to use, State Board SSC textbooks of the old syllabus, that is before the academic year 2018 and 19. Old question papers that are available in the market as well as on the board's website. Internet you have to use. Videos on the YouTube, SSC board link is there, Diksha app is there. You may take the help of those. Other reference material available in the market published by the recognized publications. This is for 11 marks, that is question number 4 and 5. Rest of the 29 marks you have to prepare from the textbook of mathematics part 2. If you go through these, certainly you will score out marks. This is the part till now we discussed what the student has to do. The next part that we are going to see is what is the role of the parents. Nowadays in the education system, role of the parents is very important. What the parent can do in shaping the future of child. You can see here two diagrams are given. This is the first diagram. What happens in the school is totally depends on what happens in the home. What happens in the home will reflect in the school. So our home environment should be proper one. It should be in favorable of the child. So what this picture gives you an idea of the role of the parent. See here, he is watering the plant. If you water you regularly, give support, then certainly that tree will grow properly. That plant will grow properly. In the same way, you have to keep a proper environment for the child's study. So this picture gives you a very important message and a notion of role of the parent. So what is that role? A parent is the student's first teacher and should remain the best teacher throughout his life. The proper role of the parent is to provide proper study environment, encouragement, support, and access to activities that enables the students for his career and bright future. The parents' attitude about education can inspire them how to take charge of their own educational journey. Really, it's true that parents are one of the most beautiful creation of the God on the earth. They are gifts to those lucky childs. They play a highly important role in the child's life. So, what is the role of this parent in the education system that we'll see now? Become a role model and good friend of your child. A very important. Follow the child's routine. Find friends circle of the child. Meet your child's teacher regularly. Attend meetings of parent teacher association. Do inquiry about homework. Create positive attitude in the child. Encourage the child to learn. Take follow up of tests and exam paper reports. Follow positive parenting techniques. Give moral support to the child. Monitor on TV, smartphone, and internet's use. So, this is what the parent can do in order to shape, in order to give a proper shape to the child's future in the education system. So, this is some shower of words on the students. That is, when you go down deep enough into anything, when you go down deep enough into anything, you will find only mathematics. You will find only mathematics. With these words, I shall say thank you.